event. Yung AIA. Yan ang mga taga-AIA, ASICS. Basta maganda, ASICS. Iyo, but thank you very much. Sa lahat sa inyo, sa Sunrise, maraming salamat. At sa lahat ng mga hindi ko binabati ko po kayo. Again, we would like to welcome you to the city of Manila. Napakagandang team ng rock and roll event sa Manila ngayon. Sarili natin. Done, created, made by national treasure, national artist, Ryan Cayabyab. And it speaks also of our commitment in promoting the city of Manila, not only as capital, but the place to go with regard to culture, arts, now sports. Kasi kami mayaman sa kasaysayan. And you can see on your left side, the left side of this stage, the logo that we created for our tourism company. Manila, my Manila. Sabi ni Ryan Cayabyab, national artist, sariling atin. Manila, my Manila is created by another national artist, Nick Joaquin, in his book, Manila, my Manila. Why we adopted this? Simply because it may not be, hindi man kayo taga Manila, pero one way or another, meron kayong istoryang kwento, a story to tell about the city of Manila. And most, if not all, yung mga taga Metro Manila, iba pang bahagi ng bansa, ay nagtungo sa Manila upang mag-aral. So sila may karanasan, may kwentong Maynila. So that's why we wanted to share. We Manileños, nowadays, hindi na namin ito tinatawag na Manila, Manileño kami. No? Everyone is Manileño. Because everyone has a story. As you can see in the pictures above me, when you look around, pag yan ay tinignan ninyo, halos yan ay kasaysayan ng buong bansa. And most of it, in that painting of national artist Botong Francisco, did happen in Manila. Kasaysayan ng bansa, kasaysayan ng syudad ng Manila. That's why we would like to share Manila to every John, Does, and Mary, foreigners and Filipino, fellow Filipinos. Welcome po kayo lagi sa lungsod namin. Ito ay timbulan ng pag-asa. Oportunidad, kultura, tradisyon, at maaaring totoo na ang Maynila ay luma. Pero yan ang kalamangan namin. Sa bawat gusali, at tulad na sabi ng ating sa bawat kanto, Iskinita Boulevard, highway ng lungsod na ito, may kwentong dala sa bawat tao at sa susunod na henerasyon. Kaya, in our own little way as your city government, kahit kami luma, ay pinipilit namin itong maging maaliwalas at panatag. In fact, about an hour ago, we just posted another milestone with regard to the new policy of the City of Manila sa mga negosyante. We just posted a 3.3 billion worth of new businesses registered in the City of Manila, on top of whatever we have already. So that's 3.3 billion. Imagine if all local government units of 1,600 LGUs in the country doing the same, or at the very least, 200 plus highly urbanized cities like Manila. Diba? Sabihin, kapag nagtulong-tulong tayo, nagsama-sama tayo, and collaborate with the private sectors, ay patuloy na gagaan ang pamumuhay at magbibigay ng oportunidad sa ating mga people. But for now, what we wanted to do is to really give opportunity for our people to work. And one of the driving factor for jobs creation, for growth, is tourism. There is science on it. Lahat ng ekonomista with the will